Introducing the Unihorn collection. These adorable clitoral stimulators have literally been flying off the shelves since their launch. And you can see why, right? They are so cute, but please do not be fooled. Each little Unihorn has 2 powerful motors in it, one at the front and one at the back. Now you can use these vibrators simultaneously or separately, and you can mix and match the pleasure settings. You have 20 different settings to choose from. They're all velvety smooth. You can see their gorgeous pastel color, and you differentiate them by the function and feature on the front that will give you a completely different sensation. They're super smooth to touch, they're water resistant, you charge them with a USB charger, and I wanted to show you the 2 newest additions. They're coming out later this year. Karma Lilac and Wild Spirit.